fabulous work learning all about conditionals. In this section, we covered the many different operators needed to create descriptive conditionals, including comparison operators, negation operators, and logical operators. We used those conditionals to create nested and combined if statements, and we explored the use of a switch statement to compare a single expression to multiple values. Let's recap what you've learned by creating a program for messaging a student based on the grade level and final grade average. Let's create a new file named school.php. Again, start with our PHP tags, and we're ready to map out what we're going to be doing. So let's start with comments. I'll add these in the teacher's notes so you don't have to type everything. If students' class average is less than 70%, we're going to send a message that says, "Dear Alina Holligan, we look forward to seeing you at summer school, beginning July 1st. If the student's class average is greater than or equal to 70 and the current grade is 9, the message will read, "Congratulations on completing your freshman year in high school. We'll see you on September 1st for the start of your sophomore year." If the student's class average is greater than or equal to 70% and the current grade is 10, the message will read, "Congratulations on completing your sophomore year." And if the current grade is 11, "Congratulations on completing your junior year." And finally, if the current grade is 12, "Congratulations, you've graduated high school. Don't forget to come back and visit." The variables we need are first name as a string, last name also as a string, current grade as an integer, and our final average also as an integer. Then we'll need a variable for our message body. This will be a string as well. Let's start with a check to make sure that we have the values for the required variables. If not first name or not last name, we want to echo, "Please enter a student name." Let's run our script. We see, "Please enter a student name," because our first name and last name variables have an empty string assigned to them. Great, let's add Alina Holligan. The next thing we want to do is make sure that the current grade is between 9 and 12 for high school students. So we'll add else if. Our current grade is less than 9, or our current grade is greater than 12. This is only for high school students. Please enter a grade between 9 and 12. Let's run the script again. Now we see that we need a grade between 9 and 12. Let's change our current grade to 9. Next, we're ready to show a message for our students based on grade level and final grade average. So I'm going to put this next section within an else block that displays the message. Echo, "Dear first name, space, last name," a new line character, and end the line. Then we're also going to echo our message body. I use double quotes so the variables are expanded. Now we're ready to set our message body. Within the else block, we add if final average is less than 0.70, our message body is going to equal our summer message. We can copy this from the comments above. Else, we're going to display a different message based on current grade. So this is a great place to use a switch statement. Switch current grade. And then we start with our first case, 9. Again, we can copy the message from our comments above. We add our break, and then we're ready for our next case. We can do the same things for grades 10 through 12, copying the text from the comments above. There should be no way to finish this switch statement without the current grade equal to something between 9 and 12. But just in case, we can add a default. Error. Grade level is not 9 through 12. Let's run our script again. We see the summer school message because the final average is less than 0.70. Let's change that to 0.88. And run the script again. This time we see congratulations on completing your freshman year. Congratulations on completing this section on conditionals. To get comfortable with conditionals, try playing around with any of the code we've written in this section. Then join me in the next section and explore the compound variable type arrays.